here we are for the second part. As you can see, we find out 2 dice of each, and I mean not all the cards, I mean there were just 8 packages. Of course we cannot find out the 10 secrets, but at least I would like to find out different secrets and not couple and couple. Let's see which one we are going to find out right now in this box. So the display. Okay, let's see if we got the Kaiba Corporation dice. No, 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 incredible. No, 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 and no. We don't get it. No. Let's go for opening. So I hope that we will find out at least Abyss Blue Ride Dragon, because it's the most expensive card. I want to have more copies as possible. Okay, let's go quickly. So, bingo go machine. Another 30 dice. Black Queen Armor. Okay, after Gold Dragon, the other card, the second Worth card of the set. Worthy card of the set. Another dice. Nice dice. Yeah. Garden Rose Maiden. Very cool. Another Blue Eyes Dragon. Dice. Another, unfortunately, another full armor master. I mean, if I would like to find out some couple, I would like to find out some Afterglow and Abyss Dragon, but I can understand it's the most rare card of those. Oh, I mean, this display is very good because we got 2. We got both. Let's see. Che schifo! The third copy of this. Incredible. Such a waste of secret rare. Why not see a schedule, you know, wooden schedule, or maybe the 2 Worth card. Worthy card. Ah, wow! So actually I find out 1 couple, very good couple. One of Abyss. Unfortunately 3 Armor Wing. Okay. And a bingo machine. And the dice, of course, 2 of each. Let's see what we get. Let's open 2. So Overload the green, Blue Eyes blue, good, Black Rose Ultra. So before I show all the common, and I think that we got all the card, so let's just skip and go for the Ultra. Purple, blue, yellow. Because no one wants to see very long video and a lot of shitty common. Green, blue and the yellow. Purple, blue and yellow. Green, blue and yellow. Purple, blue, yellow. All blue eyes card. Just some bullshit. Green, purple and yellow. Purple, blue, ultra, normal ultra. Green, purple and gold. Grey, blue, yellow. We have left those cards, those package. Green, blue, yellow. Wow, two spirit blue. One green, one purple and one blue eyes white dragon in ultra. Alternative green, good, channel purple and Seamorg, what is it called? Seamoon ultra. Ultra bullet, blue photon, yellow stone, golden stone, sorry. Purple, blue and yellow. Oh. So, very quickly. Nice rarity bump. Some just colored ultra rare. This is better than the normal ultra rare of the package. This is a rarity bump. Good reprint. Bullet. So thanks for watching and let's go for the third part.